Hello everybody, welcome to the show, and today we're going to be showing you how to protect your strawberries from various birds that are bound to destroy them otherwise. And as you guys can see, we have a whole bunch of strawberries coming in. They are everywhere. They are going to be plentiful, but we also have a problem. This yard has quail and other birds living all over it. And as soon as the strawberries ripen, this is what happens to them. They get eaten. No good. So there is a really simple solution to this that costs $5. So let me just go to the store and grab it, and I'll be back. Alright, now I'm back from the store and I got myself some fine mesh garden netting. This stuff is about 6.5 feet wide and 26 feet long. Then I went to, the random pile of wood in my yard, because everyone seems to have one of those, and I grabbed a random stick, and all I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut it at roughly, let's say, few inches above where the strawberries are at the peak of their height. I'm gonna probably do that in 5 different spots and make some posts for the netting to rest on. That'll make something that I can easily place back on and remove whenever necessary. So I'll do that and show you guys the end result. There we are, everybody. The netting is now all on. So all I did was I cut that stick to different lengths and I pounded them into the dirt with a hammer. Then I cut the netting to length and I dressed it over the entire garden bed. This is a pretty wide garden bed, so I had to use 2 pieces of the netting side by side. And the most important thing, particularly in my case, since I'm worried about quail that get in through the side, is you got to make sure that the netting is really tight up against the garden bed, and for that you will have to pound in a few nails just to make sure that the net has something to grab onto all over the place, and that way those pesky birds can't hop their way in there quite as easily. The other advantage of this is that it trains the strawberry plants a little bit and keeps those invasive plants from really escaping the boundaries of their garden bed. Now, I will link down to this netting that I used in the video description, but it's quite easy to find in most garden centers. Costs around $3 or $4, and then you're gonna have to get a stick. That's another couple bucks, so really cheap solution. If you found this video useful, make sure you're subscribed, that you've hit that like button, and we'll see you guys next time.